Hi, good morning and welcome back to our channel Hopping Popping. Hope you are doing well. So today we are going to a special place. It's about 20 kilometers from Aizawl. So the name of the place is Sakawrhmuituai Tlang. Yeah, I am really sorry if I am not pronouncing it well. And we are aiming for sunrise. So let's see. Weather is a bit foggy here, and right now it is 3:20 in the morning. So our car is ready, so let's go. So we are ready now and we have two more people with me today. Hi Aisha, Satya, hello. Ramesh ji, good morning. Ramesh ji, अभी कितना टाइम लगेगा यहाँ से? 1 घंटा से ऊपर? 1 घंटा, करीब 20 किलोमीटर. अच्छा. So it's near about 20 kilometers from here and it will take around 1 hour. Let's see. It's 3:45 in the morning. Let's see when we can reach there. It's still a bit foggy. We have reached Bongkon. So basically the place where we are going, Sakawrhmuituai Tlang. So in Mizo, Sakawr means horse. So somewhat I am not sure. So those who know, they can comment below. The structure is somewhat like a horse. That peak, it looks like horse. So they have given this name. Okay, so it's 4:15 now. I think we have reached Sipir. So Sipir is basically out of the municipality area, a bit outskirts. तो अभी हम लोग सिफिर में है ना रमेश जी? अच्छा, यहाँ से कितना दूर होगा? 5-6 किलोमीटर्स. अच्छा. So it's 4:30 now. And it's still completely dark and we have reached the parking area. Let's see. It's completely dark and we are walking. We have to switch on the flashlight. Hello. Satya is here. Right now it is 4:34 a.m. in the morning and it's a bit of trek. I cannot show you much. Hopefully we'll get a very nice sunrise view. Hi, hello. Hi. Hello. It's 4:42 and in my background you can see it's looking really beautiful. So we are trekking. Like I said, I cannot show you more because it's completely dark till now, but yes, in my background you can see it. So within a short span of time I think we can see the sunrise. Let's see. It's a bit of trekking. I cannot show you more.
A few moments later.
Good morning, good morning. It is 5 a.m. in the morning and this is the view. It's mesmerizing. Satya is busy capturing videos. Basically, I was telling Satya that It's very early morning. It's around 4:30 we reached here. Who knows, only we three will be here, but this is the situation. And here I've got one friend. Hello. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Please subscribe it.
Thank you. So you're from Aizawl only, sir?
Yeah, from Aizawl.
Okay, so you're enjoying the view?
Yeah, of course.
Now it's 5:30, so it's breakfast time. What you have, brother? Black tea?
And this one bakery, and this one is the I don't know what is the name in English.
Okay,
We say the changban. Okay.
Changban.
Yes, changban.
Okay.
It's a
Changban is
traditional
traditional bread. Yes.
Okay.
So
You have
call it kurtai.
kurte. So
So
it's
you should
black
try
tea.
it.
Yeah. You have cookies and
Cookies and
cake.
this one cake. Yes.
Yeah.
Rice, pepper cake.
Okay.
Cake, sorry, cupcake.
2,000 years later.
So it's 5:40 now, and it is the golden hour. I can just witness it right in front of my eyes. This is it. This is the magical time I have been waiting for. Woke up at 2 a.m. just for this. This is the beauty of Northeast, and you can see how many people have gathered here just to witness this magical golden moment. Here also people were just waiting for this moment, and it's dot 5:40. Just the clear blue skies. This side also. So many people have gathered just to see this view. सत्या, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है। आपके सामने सनराइज हो चुका है। देखिए कितना लाजवाब नज़ारा है। सामने एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बादल का चादर बिछा हुआ है। एंजॉय कीजिए आंखों के सामने।
हमारे यहाँ नहीं मिलता है।
कभी नहीं
ऐसा हमारे यहाँ कभी नहीं मिलता है।
और इतने लोग सारे वेट कर रहे थे इसी का।
अभी 5:40 में
उन लोगों का इंतजार खत्म हुआ।
So it's 6 a.m. now. Enjoyed the view. 6 बज गया सत्या।
हाँ 6 तो बज गया भाई। 6
नज़ारा
लेकिन
देखते देखते अभी निकल सकते हैं हम लोग।
हाँ निकल सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत बढ़िया दिख रहा है।
रात भर सोए नहीं है। We have रमेश जी also here. रमेश जी, बहुत बढ़िया ना नज़ारा। In the morning it was not visible to you guys. Let me show it to you. The path from where we came. This is the path. The beauty of Northeast India. There you can see the whole stretch. And you have witnessed the beautiful sunrise from the top. We just came from the top, that path. A little bit of trekking. Previously, we came in the month of October. It was around 13th or 14th October. So this side it was full of flowers. But now the flowers are less. But yes, the weather was very gloomy. It was full of fog. But right now we have clear blue sky, clear sky. but the flowers are missing right now. I will show you the pictures which I clicked so you can clearly differentiate. So now we are heading towards the other side. Actually, that side. So we were there for the sunrise. We are waiting for the sunrise. So right now we are heading towards the opposite side. So let's see what we have here. Here is a very exciting thing. You can wish and you can put a lock here, as many people have wished and put their locks. So yeah, if you come here, take a lock and put it. Maybe your wish can be fulfilled. सत्या, शायरी नहीं बोला यार तुमने. एक छोटा सा शायरी हो जाए.
मस्त मौसम है तो
हाँ, मौसम का नज़ारा थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
यहाँ भी दिखाते हुए सत्या के साथ.
मौसम के बारे में ही कुछ बोलते हैं.
बोलो सत्या.
किसी का लिखा हुआ है,
बोलिए.
तेरी यादों से निकलूं
वाह,
तो जमाना देखूं.
अरे वाह. फिर से, तेरी यादों से निकलूं तो
जमाना देखूं.
जमाना देखूं.
मुझे इतनी फुर्सत कहाँ कि ये मौसम सुहाना देखूं.
वाह 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 वाह. One more important thing, that this place is very very clean. Okay, please do not spoil this place and don't throw plastic bags and wrappers. Please keep it clean as it is. So Mizoram is very clean, very very clean.
Yes.
So yes, people of Mizoram, big thumbs up to you guys. It's very clean, and from you all we are learning. So yes, thank you so much.
Two things really we learned here. One to the traffic rules,
No honking.
no honking, and another one is the
Cleanliness.
Yes.
So I think this is it. This is the other side. So this is the topmost point here. This is the view from here. So okay, you are enjoying.
Yes.
Have a great day.
You also have a nice day. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, we came at 4
Oh,
in the morning.
came at 4. Oh, we want to see the sunrise.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day.
We have covered both the parts of this Tlang. It's really beautiful. My friends and family, those who are watching from plainland areas all over India, please do visit here. It's really beautiful, especially sunrise and sunset in the winter season. So yeah, do visit. It's time to go down. So we are going down. We are trekking down now, going back to the parking lot. So this was the route from where we came. It was all dark at 4:30. It is now 7 and magical clouds are still there, still with us. We could not get much sleep in the night. Yes, sometimes we need this kind of scenic therapies. So how was the sunrise moment, that golden hour? Please do comment. Also do comment in this winter season where we can go. I think Sakawrmuituai Tlang also will have similar kind of sunrise. So we almost reached the parking lot. This is the parking lot. From here only we started our journey. So you have entry fees 20 per head. This is the starting point. So this is the restaurant. So you can sit here, can enjoy. We wanted to have Maggie, but they cannot prepare now. They said it's too early. So okay, next time. So we did our trek. We witnessed the golden moment, the early morning sunrise. Satya, do you enjoy?
Yes, really a lot. When we came in morning, that time though nothing is visible. But
Yeah.
after some time, when we witnessed that sunrise, so really we can't.
It was magical.
Yeah, magical. We can't forget this moment. We will remember always, and we are hoping everybody, those who are watching, they can come here and see the magical moment, and just do follow our channel, like and
Like.
subscribe and share. Share with your friends.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we will take you to more such beautiful places, more such beautiful moments like this. So, goodbye, take care, keep smiling. Thank you.
Thank you so much.